Hello, welcome back guys to Spotoria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable notifications in a cam scanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here you can activate or enable it for the notification in this cam scanner with two ways. The first way, you just have to open your settings over here on your phone, and after scroll it down at the bottom we'll find out the apps options. Tap on it and scroll it down again until we found out the cam scanner applications. Here I'm gonna open it again. And as you can see in this cam scanner page, we'll find out the notifications option. Just tap on it. And if you want to enable it for the notification, you just have to make sure the toggle beside the allow notification is already activated or it's turned green. Yeah guys, I'm gonna tap on it like this one time, and when it's turned green, which is the cam scanner can send the notifications to your phone. And then the second way to activate this notification from the cam scanner applications, you just have to go ahead to this cam scanner application, open it. Now tap on this me option at the bottom. After, go ahead to this account. Now we'll find out here at the bottom, scroll it down again, we'll find out the notifications. Just tap on it. And yeah, as you can see, it will turn green because we have activated before by the settings. So if you want to activate it by the cam scanner application, you just have to tap on the toggle beside it like before until it's turned green. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.